Hello everyone. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here at first I apply the filter, simply click on it and use the Shift Control L to apply the filter. Okay. Then just click on any column. So I just click on this drop down arrow and click on the numbers filtered and click on the less than. So you can filter the less than amount. So here you can see the one dialog box is open, customize auto filter. Total price column also showing and less than select. So here I selected total price column. So I just enter is less than 200 and click on OK. And here you can see the less than 200 amount is filtered. Again, I click on it and click on the number filter, click on the less than, and here you can select the amount from your drop down list. You can see the all list of amounts here showing. Okay, so I just select here the less than 917. Okay, click on OK, and now you can see the less than 917 amount is filtered. So this is a way you can filter by less than in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.